Hello, Elizabeth here, and today I'm going to show you how to recreate this Beetlejuice makeup look. This mostly consists of just throwing some colored blobs on your face, so even if you don't consider yourself much of a makeup artist, this is a pretty easy look to achieve. I'm gonna walk you through everything step by step. I started with cleansed and moisturized skin and applied the e.l.f. Blemish Control Primer all over my face. Next, I took this white shade from my ATHENA painting palette and used a sponge to apply it all over my face. You can find links to all of the products I'm using in the description of this video. I blended it down my neck a little bit as well so that there wouldn't be a sharp line where the color ends. I used a fluffy eyeshadow brush to apply a deep purple color from the ColourPop Fade into Hue palette in a large circle all around my eyes, starting with my eyelids and working my way out. The Beetlejuice character actually looks pretty gross and messy, so you definitely don't need to worry about precision here. I just packed most of the pigment onto my lids and kind of let it taper off to be a little bit lighter around the edges as I worked my way out. I had a little bit of fallout from the eyeshadow, so I went back in with my sponge and a little more white paint to clean it up. Next, I used this darker purple shade to do almost like a contour to give some depth and some more of that purple color to this look. I applied it on the sides of my nose, below my cheekbones, around my forehead, and my jawline. Next, I used a thin angled brush and this black color from my ATHENA painting palette to fill in and define my eyebrows. I used a sponge to apply this bright green color in a few different areas of my face. Again, there's no precision here, I just kind of dabbed the color on in big messy blobs. Then I went back in on top of those same areas with this darker green color. I applied less of the darker green than the lighter green and messily dabbed it on again just to add some dimension to those green areas. You can absolutely stop here if you want to, and this would be a complete Beetlejuice look, more similar to the character from the movie. But I always want my looks to feel a bit glam, so I added a few more elements. Next, I applied this dark purple color on my lips. I used a clean, disposable lip gloss wand to apply it. I lined my eyes with a black pencil eyeliner, and then I applied a black liquid winged liner to my upper lids. And finally, I added some mascara and finished with a dramatic pair of false lashes. And you can also just have messy hair for this look, easy peasy. Or if you want to lean into the scary glam, you could throw some curls in there or even go in with a green wig or some green colored hairspray. And that's all there is to it. If you give this look a try, I would love for you to tag me on Instagram so I can check it out. Have a super fun and safe spooky season. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you enjoyed my content, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment letting me know what sort of videos you'd like to see in the future. See you later!